Hello, my dear friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Amazing Craft Ideas. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and doing great. Today, in this video, I bring some latest garden decorative ideas to create different recyclable tile ideas into different and unique concepts to make your garden decorations more unique or beautiful by converting these recyclable tiles into different unique planter decoration ideas to make your garden ideas more beautiful. I hope you will enjoy this video and love these ideas. If you are a new viewer to my channel and watching my videos for the very first time, do subscribe my channel, press the bell icon and you will receive all the updates regarding my new and previous videos. So viewers, don't go, stay with me and watch this video till the end. I hope you will love all these ideas and enjoy creating them. In this video, I bring some beautiful garden decorations to create different old tires or recyclable tires into unique garden planter ideas. Whether you can create different hangings from these tires or different mud decorated ideas with these hand painted tires can also be created combining with some other creative planters or crafty ideas. You can make different theme ideas from these sort of tie decoration ideas to make your gardens more beautifully decorated. Viewers, as you have seen in this video, you can create any of these ideas to make your garden decorations more pleasant or beautiful by using these tires as a recyclable crafty idea to decorate your gardens. You can create different shapes from these tires, or different vertical planters or horizontal planters can also be created, like different hangings from these tires, like you have seen in this video, can be created by growing different flowers in it, or creating different unique concepts based on different events can also be created. Viewers, you can create any of these ideas, whether you can create different shapes from these tires, like you have seen in this video, a dolphin is created with the help of using different tire decoration ideas. I hope you will enjoy this video and love these ideas. I will remind you again, if you are a new viewer to my channel and watching my videos for the very first time, do subscribe my channel, press the bell icon and you will receive all the updates regarding my new and previous videos. Viewers, your response and positive feedback motivates me to bring some latest ideas for you. So if you have any request, you can mention it in the comment section. I will work on it. And if you have any queries regarding this video, you can also mention it in the comment section. I will answer all your queries in it. I hope you will enjoy this video. If you really like my ideas, share it on different social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram. It helps me to grow my channel and also encourages me to bring creative ideas for you. So viewers, I hope you will really like it. So keep sharing my video, keep supporting me like this. Thank you.